I sleep all night right by your side. I love to hear you breathing, breathing the morning lights. Open my eyes, it's nearly time for leaving, leaving. I know that it seems like it easy for me. Oh, I wish you could feel what's going on inside. It's the hardest thing I ever have to do, to walk away from you when I wanna hold you. It's the hardest thing in every single day, to have to turn away. I want you to know that this is the hardest